I started my KDP journey 1 month ago after watching your videos, and they gave me a lot of motivation. I've published several books, sold 15 copies in my first month, but only 2 books received 1 review each. Should I start running low budget ads? If you have several books or more, you could run lottery ads for sure. You could start on those. Um, my biggest question is, why do you only have 1 review? Like, there's Book Bounty for paperbacks. Can't stress that enough. Book Reverb, done for you KDP reviews, or Book Village, right? I don't know if we can put links in the chat for, or the comments or whatever, for all of those that I just mentioned. Um, but like, getting reviews has never been easier in the 10 years I've been doing this for KDP. It's never been easier than it is right now. So no, Amazon genuine reviews. Book Reverb will get you Amazon genuine reviews. Done for you KDP will get you done Amazon genuine reviews. We know the reviews from Book Village and Book Bounty are not genuine, right? But the other 2 will, because they're actual readers reading your book, right? So yeah, but you need social proof, like you need it. Or you can go into Facebook groups yourself, give value, share your book, follow up, get reviews. You can do that as well. Like, that's how I got the first, I think 80 reviews on my Chair Yoga book. It was like the worst thing in the world, but it works. It requires so much effort. So